Vex. Hey, Vex.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Okay, my battery died. And I don't have a backup battery yet, but I finished cleaning my room. For the most part, I just have to clean off my dresser. I vacuumed the floor, as you can probably tell. So now I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree. I had to buy a new one this year because
I lost the link to the one I had last year.
so yeah, I'm gonna decorate it. These are my decorations this year for my Christmas tree, and they are all pink. I think this is one of my favorites. It's so cute. And then these little unicorns, and like this girl. I got this stuff from Walmart, and this little hippopotamus. And then I have this fake snow that I'm going to put on my window. If you watched my last video, I don't think it's public. I put it on private. But yeah. And these little stockings I got for something that I'm going to do, which I have not yet decided what I'm going to put in here. I know I'm going to put like this thing and this other thing. But it's for, I'm doing a Christmas swap gift thingy with my friends Madison, JD, and Kaylee. But yeah, so, oh, I have this. And here's my tree. It's 4 feet tall. So, yeah, I'm gonna put it over here since nothing else is over here. I had a cat house right here, but yeah. So, my new tree. Okay, it's making a mess already. So this is, of course, obviously the bottom half. So I'm testing out my lights. And so far, it looks like all of these work. Okay, so I have some lights that I'm gonna put. I have like 3 strings of lights. That'll be too many lights on the tree, I think. So I'm gonna put these lights on my curtains. This is what it looks like. Ouch, my braids are pulling. So yeah, it goes like that. Then it goes across. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this because Vixie likes to lay in the window and she's too big. So she falls. Oh, you can't really see the lights right there. So yeah.
Okay, so
On my phone, it keeps stopping recording. So, oh, my battery didn't even So if it stops again, then I'm gonna switch to my phone. I got most stuff. I don't know. I might have to arrange it a little. I might have to think I'm gonna move this because it looks too cluttered. So I guess I can move it. I don't know. But I still have like these little bulbs to go. And then like 3 others, and then my star. Well, it's not a star. My topper. I'm gonna just say topper, so I'm gonna give it away. But I'm gonna do that last. But I'll be back. So I finally finished decorating my tree, and I have not put my tree topper on, so I was waiting to finish decorating it, of course, first. But then I was gonna put the topper on, but I wanted to film me putting the topper on. So this is my tree topper. It's like, boop, it's like a snowflake, and it's like this kind of metal-y material. I don't know, but it's a snowflake. So I'm gonna put it on my tree. Oh, this is my tree, by the way. She's pink and white, and that's silver, and like some little, have some butterflies and some leaves, you know. And this one is one of my favorites. Is it focusing? It's trying to focus on the tree. I like that one, and the elephant, because my mom likes elephants. And then this one is so cute. You have the butterflies, and you know, yeah. Oh, and you can't really see, but it's like some unicorns right there. There's another one behind the butterfly. But anyways, it's time for the tree topper.
Holding it with my arm right now. Okay, that's the best I can do for right now.
I'm trying to spin another. But there it is. She's pretty. And since I'm done cleaning my room, I'm just going to show what it looks like. So, yeah. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Also, I don't know if I introduced, I can't remember, but this is Vexy. Hey Vex. Hey Vex. You guys already know Louise. I don't know where she is, but we all just want to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed me cleaning my messy room. Kind of embarrassing, but anywho, we all have messy days or whatever. But yeah, hope you like my Christmas tree. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Do you celebrate Christmas? Is it your favorite holiday? Have you put up a tree yet? Yeah, all that good stuff. So yeah, all right, I'm talking too much. Bye.